Where is Likita? Attending Java classes, huh? No? Yes or no? You attended yesterday, no? Huh? Attended. Hey, don't get offended. Even these shameless creatures are also attending. Yeah, Java class, huh? You don't know? You don't know? Obedient student of my class. You all others rest are. Good morning. Good morning, my dear students. Online students, good morning. My light akuma. Bada. Oh. Happy Friday. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹಾ ಬೇರೆದ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬರ್ಲಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ okay what we learned yesterday what up only operators only operators before that what you learned alias what do you mean by alias it is nothing but an alternate name which can be given to both column and table yes or no Tarun where were you yesterday ನೀನ್ ನಂದಿ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಯಾಕೋ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದಿ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರೊಬ್ನ ಕಾಯಕ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಏ ಅದ್ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಓಕೆ Yesterday, you people just learnt about operators and what are the different types of operators. What are the different types of operators? You had two types. One is symbolic operators. Another one is keyword as operators. What is symbolic operators? In symbolic operators, you have two types. One is arithmetic operator and comparison operator. And then what else you have? You have keyword as operator. In that you have all the logical operators, then is null. What and all you learned? Like operator, between operator, then in operator, out operator idya? No. And list, distinct operator. Okay. So today we will see queries on arithmetic operators. Okay. Today we will see queries on arithmetic operator. Yesterday you people have already seen one query. Yes or no? What was the table which you people created yesterday? Employee table. What was the database name? So the database name the database name was company. Yes or no? What was the table name? EMPLOYEE or only E? Double E. Okay. What and all columns you had inside this? You had something called as employee ID. Okay. Then you had something called as employee name. Okay. Then you had employee salary. Then you have something called as employee salary. Yes or no? So now what were the okay, what were the inputs you gave here? What were the inputs? Guys, tell soon. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 and 106. Yes. Yes or no? Online students, don't sleep morning, please. Yeah, what was the first data which I gave? What was the first data which I gave? The first data which I gave was next one. Okay, then then Ritesh ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಂದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ what is the employee salary which I give? 65,000. Okay, next one 75,000, then 35,000, then 20,000, then 78,000, then 50,000. Constant. Okay, so now this was the database which you people created yesterday. Yes or no? This was the database which you people created yesterday. So now what was the very first query I gave? What was the very first query I gave? Good morning, Sikender. Display the employee name and employee salary. Once again. Sorry. Yeah. You want to retrieve both? What, yeah? First one was to display the employee salary. How you displayed the employee salary? Select employee salary from employee. Yes. And the next query was display both employee name and employee salary. So what you gave? You gave select employee name, comma, employee salary from employee. Yes. Next one is wherever the name Yusuf is there, you want to take both employee name and employee salary of that. Yes. And you also saw what is increment. Yes. What increment I said? When I want to see each and every employee's salary when it is incremented by 10,000. Yes or no? When it is incremented by 10,000. So what was the query you wrote for that? Query. You wrote select employee name, comma, employee salary. Okay. Plus 10,000. Okay. From employee. Yes or no? This is what the query you saw. So now what is the output I'll get? 65 plus 10,000, 75, 85, 45, 35, 88, then 60. Yes, this was the output you saw yesterday. So now take down the next query. Now take down the next query. I want to write a query Write a query, comma, to know when the salary is incremented, with 10,000, when the salary is incremented with 10,000, wherever the name is equals to, wherever the name is Abhi. Wherever the name is Abhi. So how will you write the query for this one? How will you write the query for this one? So again you will say select employee name and employee salary. Should I write employee salary only or employee salary plus 10,000? Plus 10,000. So I will write plus 10,000. Okay. From employee. Okay. From employee. Now what is the condition here? Where employee name is equals to Abhi. So what output will I get? What output will I get? Wherever Abhi is there, so I will get both employee name and employee salary. Now you tell me, will I get it with the incremented value or without the incremented value? With the incremented value. Now what the column name will be? Employee salary. It will be employee salary plus 10,000. It will be employee salary plus 10,000. Take down the next query. Yeah, please copy this down. Take down the next question. Display the employee name and employee salary. Display the employee name and employee salary by decreasing the salary of each employee, by decreasing the salary of each employee. ಅದನ್ನ next page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ತಾನೆ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತ್ಯಾ? Table you'll write down only. Then you could write the next question next page only, no? Display the employee name and employee salary by decreasing the salary of each employee, by decreasing the salary of each employee by 5,000. By 5,000. Can you tell me how to write the query here? How to write the query here? Guys, please study the question carefully. Study the question carefully. There, am I using any column alias? But I want to change the column. See, you will get it as employee salary minus 5,000. Yes or no? Now, by using column alias, I want to change that. Instead of getting that employee salary minus 10,000, I want it as decremented salary. I want the column name also to be changed as decremented salary. Am I clear with the question? Am I clear with the question? First, tell me the query. First, tell me the query. My dear students, everyone. So, how should I write? I should write select employee name, okay, comma, employee salary, okay, minus 5,000 as, shall I take double quotes? Yes. And shall I mention it as Decremented space salary. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Yes. So now what is the next one I have to write? I have to write it as from employee. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now you people tell me what the output I will get. Here I will get both the employee name and also will I get employee salary minus 5,000 or decremented salary? I will get it as decremented salary. Okay. What is the employee name here? Every employee name? Yes or no? What is the first employee name? Lalima. Okay. If it is decremented by 5,000, it is 60,000. Okay. Next one. Abhi. If it is decremented by 5,000, it is 70,000. Again, Yusuf. Decremented by 5,000 means decremented by 5,000. Huh? It is 30,000. Okay. Next one again. If you minus 20,000 with 5,000, how much you will get? You will get around 15,000. Okay. And again, Rakshita 78,000 minus 5,000. You will get 73,000. Okay. Pratibha will get 45,000. Clear? Clear? This is the output which you will get. Yes or no? Talenova, Utlapa. Clear? Now, again, if I say select select decrement salary from employee, will I get it? Will I get it? Why I'll not get? Because in your database, it is already stored as employee salary. Not even as employee salary plus 10,000 or not even as employee salary minus 5,000. Clear? Done. Next one. Display the employee name. Display the Vivek Lima. Display the employee name, employee salary. Display the employee name, employee salary, and annual salary. What do you mean by annual salary? For a year, how much he'll get? In a year, how many months? Well, correct. Display the employee name, employee salary, and annual salary. And annual salary, comma, salary multiplied by 12. Salary multiplied by 12. Guys, annual salary is nothing but salary multiplied by 12. Again, don't. I very well knew that annual salary also you will do. Again, you will write multiplied by 12. I know this you will do. I know. Don't even. I'm seeing your faces. Lalima is thinking, Mahisha again telling multiplied by 12. Okay. Of each employee from employee table. Of each employee from employee table. Yeah. Tell me, how will you write this? How will you write the query? Okay, select employee name, employee salary into, okay, into 12. Shall I keep this inside the brackets? Yes. Can I keep it? Yes. Now, I have to change this employee salary into 12 as what? As annual salary? Yes or no? Can I directly write like this? Can I directly write like this? Why? With as keyword also you will get the output. Without as keyword also you will get the output. Yes or no? From employee, that's all. Should I remove this where condition? So now what is the output you will get? Guys, I will show this to you practically, but you people see this, okay? Done. Done. Online students, are you people following or sleeping? Online students. See, now every query I'm writing on the board. Next, I will give 5 assignment questions here only, and you people have to do it. Okay? Done? Yes. I will write this on the board. I will show it in the laptop also. After that, rest questions you have to do. Done? Yes. Okay. Next one. Display. Next query. Next query. I don't know, guys. It is query. Some people, they use query. Why? Yena kuibe kelri. Kuyana. Nichama, literally, some people, they say query. I don't understand what is that query. It's query. Okay. Display the made in China. Display employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. Display the employee name, employee ID, employee name, and employee salary after increasing their salary. After increasing their salary by 10%. After increasing their salary by 10%. How to do this? How to do this? Hero. Tell now. Select employee ID, employee underscore name, okay? Employee. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನೀನ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೋ ಅಂತವ್ರೆ. Employee salary plus employee salary into 10%. How can I write this 10% as? Can I write employee salary into 0.10? Yes. Can I write like that? Yes or no? Why am I taking it as employee salary again? See, you have to display employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. After that, you have to tell what is the employee salary when it is incremented by, when it is, when it is increased by 10%. That is the reason I'm writing employee salary twice. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now how should I write the query? Should I write employee salary again? Or should I write plus? Okay. So now 10%, can I write it as 0.10? Yes. So now I will take this inside the brackets and I will say employee salary into 0.10. Correct? Yes or no? Guys, now you people tell me, why am I writing into 0.10? 10% you will multiply or divide by 100? Sorry? 10 divided by 100, no? Yes or no? Then you will get 0.10. You want me to write that also? 10% is equals to, you want me to write? Ditesh. ನೀನೆ ತಾನೆ ನೀನ್ ತಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Yeah. How will you write the 10% as, guys? How will you write it as? 10 by What is 10 by 100? 1 by 10. That is nothing but 0.10. Clear? Yes. So now after that, what I have to say? From which table? Table called as employee. Correct? Yes or no? Instead of writing, see, can I write it as employee salary? Employee salary into 10 by 100 also. Into 10 by 100. Instead of writing 10 by 100, I've directly written it as 0.10. Okay. Done. Done. Yes, Nitesh, you're correct. Now take down the next query. Take down the next query. Display the employee name. Display the employee name and half yearly salary. Half yearly salary of each employee. Half yearly salary of each employee. What do you mean by half? Half yearly salary? 6 months. So can I do into 6? Can I do into 6? Yes, you can write this query in 2 ways. You can write this query in 2 ways. Can you tell me what is the first query? Employee. Okay, employee name. Okay. Comma. Yes or no? Comma. Employee salary. Why are you writing into 6? Why are you writing into 6? Half year. Yes or no? Let me mention that also. There are some Bruhaspatis. They will not know that also. Half year. Yes. Botala. Quartera. Then you will say from. Can you tell me what is the other way to write this query? Other way to write this query. Can I take it as? Just think. Only if I only say, what will you think? Yeah, think. Now, previously you wrote something called as annual salary. Yes or no? Yes or no? So can I take employee salary into 12 divided by 2? Yes or no? I know it is the same thing, but that is the second way you can write. Yes or no? So if you want to write that query, how will you write? Select employee name, employee salary or annual salary? Employee salary into 12 divided by 2. Yes or no? Yes, from employee. Yes. Done. Yes. So now, now let me write the same thing. And then there I want to change the, see if you write it. Okay, tell me the query. Then another query for this one. It is nothing but select employee name, others, employee name, comma, employee salary into 12 divided by 2. Yes or no? And I have to say it as from which table? From employee table. Now, previously and all, you just had single operator. Either it was multiplication or addition or subtraction. Division I have not, division already you have, or division. You have single operator. Yes or no? Now, if you observe here, you have both multiplication and division. You have both multiplication and division. Now, can you tell me how the query will get executed? First, will it happen like employee salary into 12 by 2, or it will divide employee salary divided by 2 into 12? How will it happen? For this reason, see, some people will say, ma'am, BODMAS rule. BODMAS, brackets of BOR, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes or no? But you will not be using this BODMAS rule. You will not be using this BODMAS rule. You have, yes, Darshan, correct. You have something called as precedence of arithmetic operator. Where will I write this? Okay, let me write it here. You have something called as precedence of arithmetic operator. What do you mean by precedence? Huh? Yenante? He said something. Vice President. Yeah. Can you tell me what do you mean by precedence? See, take down the heading as, take down this table. Precedence of arithmetic operator. Precedence of arithmetic operator. Guys, precedence is nothing but what? Precedence is nothing but precedence is nothing but priority. Precedence is nothing but priority. So now here you have operators, and here you have something called as precedence or priority. Precedence or priority. Shall I continue? So now, what are the different types of operators till now you saw? Either it was addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Modulus also you have. Modulus is nothing but you will be storing the remainder. Yes or no? So now you have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Can you tell me which one will be given the first priority? Which one will be given the first priority? I will say division will be given the first priority. Second one, the second priority is multiplication. Third priority is, and fourth priority is subtraction. So now you can say that, ma'am, however I do, I will get the answer. Either you do 12 by 2 into annual salary, that is also the same. Yes or no? So here, according to this one, first it will get divided, then multiplied. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. We will go with few queries. Yes. Next one, take down the next query. Find the employee's salary. Find the employee's salary which is divisible by 5,000. Find the employee's salary divisible by 5,000. Employee salary divisible by 5,000. So how will you write? Yeah, tell me, how will you write the query? Everyone. What is it saying? You have the list of salaries here and you want to display only, you want to display the salaries which are divisible by 5,000. Yes or no? How to write the query for this one? Wait. So I will say select employee salary from employee, okay? From employee where employee salary Employee salary. ಯಾವನೋ ನೀನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದವನು. Lalima, tu hi boli. Employee salary is divisible by modulus of 5,000. Now tell me what remainder you should get. You should get the remainder as 0. So I will say is equals to. Correct? Correct. So now can you tell me which and all will get printed? 101, 102, 3, 4 and 6. 105 will not get printed. 105 will not get printed. Yes or no? Is 78 divisible by 5? No. 50, 20, 35, 75, 65. Yes. We will see the output now. Practically we will see. Yes or no? Are you people understanding? Yes or no, my dear students? Online students, are you people following? Online students. Yes. After this, after me doing in the computer, I will give you some questions which you people have to solve. Then I'll start with relational operators. That is nothing but your comparison operators. Okay. Done. Yes or no? For comparison operators, do you require 2 tables? ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ yes. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ yes ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನನಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿನಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಅರ್ವೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಚಿಂತೆ. ನನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. लालिमा झगड़ क्यों रही है? क्या हो गया? For Friday you're fighting. Saturday will break their bones. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ನೀವೇ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ? Okay. Yeah, everyone open your laptops. Yeah. Everyone just see here. First, should I create the database? Yes or no? Online students, is it visible to you all? Online students. Yeah. Tell me what I should do first. First of all, I have to create the database. I have not created a databases company. I will show you if you want. See? Show databases. See? Where is there? It's there. Okay. Use table is created. Yes, sir. It's there. There. I didn't know. Okay. Can you tell me what's the first query? What? Query question. Question. Query question. Display employee name and employee salary. So I should say select employee name, comma, employee salary. I will take it as plus. Clear? Sorry. Then what I have to do, I will say it as from employee. Yes, what am I getting? Am I getting? See now, the column name is employee salary plus 10,000. Okay. What is the next question? What is the next question? By 5. No. Yes or no? Draw. Minus 5,000. Yes. From which table? From employee. Am I getting that? See, is it decremented by 5,000? Yes or no? Next, what is the next query? What is the next query, Aliyasa? Yeah, what is the next query, guys? You have to display the employee name. First of all, you have to display the employee name and employee salary and annual salary. What I have to do here? Employee name, comma, employee salary. Then what I have to do? Employee salary into 12. Into 12. Now I have to change it as annual salary. From which table? From which table? From employee. What is my annual salary? Yes, is there a difference? Yes, am I clear with this? Yes, what is the next one? What is the next query? You have to display the employee ID, employee name, and employee salary after increasing by 10%. So how to write this? How to write this? Select star from employee. Sorry, select star from, select employee name, employee salary. Okay, then plus employee salary into I will give 10 divided by next one, from which table? From employee. Am I getting it? Yes or no? Okay, what's the next one? What's the next one? Half year salary. So how should I write it as? Select employee name, employee salary. Can I directly write it as 12 by 2? 12 by 2? Yes or no? From which table? From employee. Am I getting it? Am I getting it? What is the next query? What is the next query? Salary which is divisible by 5. So now what I have to write here? Employee name, employee salary. From employee. Then where, what is the condition here? Where employee underscore salary modulus of 5,000, it should be equal to 0. Yes or no? Did I get? Can you see here? Did I get? Yeah, I am getting. Done. Done. Yes or no? Clear with this? Now take down the questions now. Take down the question now. Online students, is it clear? Online students, is it clear? Okay, take down the question. You people will love this question. Take down. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the product between number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2, result. Number 1 and number 2 as product result for each row. For each row. Now what you have to do here? What you have to do? Okay, let me show the first one. Let's the rest 3 you people solve. Okay. How to write now? First of all, should I create a new database? Should I create a new database? Yes or no? What is the database name? I'll keep it as. My lovely students, please, can you reply? I will keep the table name as product. Can you tell me what is the database name I'll keep? So I will say create. 1 second. Yeah. What I have to do now? First of all, I have to create the database. What is the database name? What database name shall I keep? I will take it as, sorry, create. Yeah, see, my students know me. Create database as we stand for you. Correct? Yes, semicolon. Now what I have to do next one, I have to use the database. So I should say use what? We stand for you. Next one, I have to create the table here. Yes or no? I will say create. Guys, first see here, then you people do it in your laptops. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. Then you people don't land up in getting the output. Then you people will say, ma'am, I didn't get the output. Instead of that, concentrate here. Then do it in your laptops. Akka, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yeah. After, what is the table name? Table name, let me keep it as products. Should I open the parenthesis? So now, what in all column name should I get? Product ID. Just go to the question. Go to the question and see what is it I have given. Number 1 and number 2. Yes or no? So you should have a column as number 1 and number 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Boys. Dushyant. Ditesh. ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ? Column name ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? Go to the question, see the question, then tell. What column name should I give? Number 1. For the number 1, what is the data type I should give? Int. Yes or no? I will say number 1 and I will give it as int. Correct? Correct. Next one, what I have to give? Number 2, it also int. Should I close this? Yes, that's all is there. No, you have only 2 columns and you have to get the product of that. Means multiplication. Yes or no? So now let me close this with a semicolon. Yes. Now I have to insert values into it. I have to insert values. So what I should say? Insert into products and values. So what is the value I have to give? What is the value I have to give? Tell any number. No, you have only 2. 10, 20. Yes. Next. 30, 400. Then 330, 400. Then correct. Yes. So now I want to display the entire table. What I should do? I should say it as select star from what? From yes. Now what you have to do there? What's the question? Display the product between number 1 and number 2 as product result. And now when you multiply number 1 and number 2, that one, it should be stored as product result. How to do that? So I should say select what? Select number 1 into number 2. Sorry. Wait, I know. Number 2 as product result from will I get? Yes, you got? Yes, I have done the first one. Rest you do. Take down the next question. Online students, am I clear? Now you do one thing. This one you do it. This one it's done now. Do the same thing. Again, create one database as products 1. Create a database as products. Table name, you give it whichever you want. Okay. Then give product ID number 1 and number 2. Okay. Product ID number 1 and number 2. Okay. Am I clear? Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to display the sum of. Write a query to display the sum of number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. Wait. Write a query to display the product ID. Write a product ID ಅಂತ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಲ್ಲ ಒಚ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. Write a query to display product ID and the sum of number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 and some result. SOME alla SUM. Some result. Done with that query. Take down the third query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the difference between number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 as difference result. As different result. Next one. Next query. Retrieve the remainder. When number 1 is divided by number 2. When number 1 is divided by number 2. Done. Done. Next query. Next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the division of number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 as division result. As division result. Clear? Clear? Query is very easy. Query is very easy. Please do it. Do it. Online students, clear? Online students, are you people following the query? Are you people, did you people take down the query? Yes or no? Okay. Yes, please do this query. Please solve this. ಅದೇ ಬೆರಳು ಆಟಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲದೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಂದೇ ಇರು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸಾಕಾ? ಹಾ ಹಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನಾ? ಸಾಕಾ? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಸಾಕಾ? ಹಾ ಮೇಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಾಕಾ? ಡೌನಾ? ಏಯ್ ಮೇಲಂತಾನೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರ್ ಕೆಳಗ? ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರಾ? ಸಾಕಾ? ನಾನ್ ದೇವ್ರ ಸತ್ತಾಗೂ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾಕಾ? ಏನೋ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀನೇನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕೊಡು. ರೂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾ? ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಕಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡು, ಅದೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳು. ಕೇಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವನ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಹೇಳು. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ಕಳ್ಸಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳ್ಸಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ರಪ್ಪ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡು ಅವನ್ಗೆ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದುಷ್ಯಂತ್. पासवर्ड रॉन्ग है तब डिलीट किया इसमें। अगर तुम डिलीट नहीं करोगे तो वही फिर से वही आएगा। देखो ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈಯರ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈಯರ್ ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ I have used magnifier and I have zoomed it. No, decrease that. Move your cursor this side. Yeah, decrease. Click on the chat. Amma, don't close that. Sharing. Chats. Minimize it. Minimize it. Make the screen small. Yo, make the screen small. Supriya, you don't know to use. ಯಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣೋ ಏನ್ ನೀನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೇನೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕೊಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ SQL ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಬಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ತಾನೆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೋ ಕೊಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಾ ನೀನ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತಿಯಪ್ಪ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡ್ಕಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಳೆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಮ್ಮ ಏನಲ್ವೋ ಅವನು ಹೀರೋ ಅವ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು MySQL ಅನ್ನೋ ಇದೇ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ You keep your lunch on this and eat. Hey, it's okay. I was joking. Don't take it to your heart. I'm like this only. Something should I do now? Guys, who has not yet downloaded SQL, please come. I download and give. Anyway, you people will not do. I know that. Panel go. Start. Pero ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡು ಸರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ capital P. Everyone done with the query? Yes. So are you people clear with arithmetic operators? How to use arithmetic operators? Yes or no? So tomorrow we will start with relational operators. Okay, done. Tomorrow we will start with relational operators. Tomorrow we will start with relational operators. Whose birthday? Suhas ಬರ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What you said? Arun sir birthday na? Go celebrate. What for me? Scan. Guys, everyone scan your attendance. If you are done scanning with your attendance, you can leave for the day. Thank you so much. ನಾಳೆ ಅರುಣ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಡೇನಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು.